AI is revolutionizing the way we approach healthy eating, but are you really following the best diet? Or could you be making some common mistakes without even realizing it? Stay tuned as we uncover surprising insights into how AI is helping us spot and correct these mistakes. Section 1. Introduction to AI in Nutrition. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries, and nutrition is no exception. AI analyzes massive amounts of data, from food logs to daily habits, to offer personalized dietary advice. It's like having a nutritionist in your pocket, capable of processing and learning from more information than any human could. However, even with all this advanced technology, AI has found that many of us are still making mistakes that could be holding us back from reaching our health goals. Mistake 1. Mistake number 1, misjudging portion sizes. AI has analyzed thousands of food diaries and found that many of us, even those following a balanced diet, often eat portions that are either too large or too small. This portion distortion can lead to overeating or not getting enough nutrients. To correct this, AI recommends using tools like digital food scales or portion control guides to better understand how much you're actually eating. Mistake 2. Mistake number 2, relying too much on so-called healthy processed foods. AI has shown that many of us fall into the trap of believing that just because something is labeled as healthy, it's automatically good for us. However, AI algorithms have found that many processed foods labeled as healthy are still high in sugars, sodium, or unhealthy fats. AI suggests focusing on whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Mistake 3. Mistake number 3, ignoring the importance of variety in your diet. AI has identified that many people, even those eating healthily, tend to stick to the same foods repeatedly. While it's great to have favorite healthy foods, eating a wide range of different foods is crucial for getting all the nutrients your body needs. AI recommends rotating your foods regularly and including a rainbow of fruits and vegetables in your meals. Mistake 4. Mistake number 4, overlooking hydration. AI data shows that many people don't drink enough water, which can significantly impact your overall health and your ability to stick to a healthy diet. Dehydration is more common than you might think, often because people forget to drink water, especially when they're busy. Staying hydrated helps your body absorb nutrients from food, keeps your skin healthy, and can even aid in weight management by preventing overeating. Mistake 5. Mistake number 5, not adjusting your diet based on your activity levels. AI has found that many people don't account for how their diet should change depending on how active they are. Whether you've had a particularly intense workout or a more sedentary day, your body's nutritional needs will vary. AI suggests adjusting your caloric intake and nutrient balance based on your daily activity levels to fuel your body properly. Mistake 6. Mistake number 6, not getting enough sleep. AI has uncovered that sleep plays a critical role in how your body processes food and maintains a healthy diet. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormone levels, increasing the hunger hormone ghrelin and decreasing the satiety hormone leptin, which can lead to overeating. AI recommends aiming for 7-9 hours of quality sleep per night to support your dietary goals and overall well-being. Mistake 7. Mistake number 7, overcomplicating your diet. AI has found that many people try to follow overly complex diets that are difficult to maintain in the long run. Diets that are too complicated or restrictive often lead to burnout and frustration, causing people to give up entirely. AI suggests that simplicity is key. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods and create meals that are easy to prepare and enjoy for sustainable, long-term success. Recap and final thoughts. Let's quickly recap the 7 common healthy diet mistakes revealed by AI. Misjudging portion sizes, relying too much on healthy processed foods, ignoring variety, overlooking hydration, not adjusting your diet based on activity levels, not getting enough sleep, and overcomplicating your diet. These mistakes are more common than you might think, but the good news is that they're easy to fix. By being aware of these pitfalls and making small adjustments, you can significantly improve your diet and overall health. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might benefit from these AI-driven tips.